Yeah, true salute. I don't welcome for football in after match talk am how you see am. Ghana 0 and Uruguay 2, and we get Oga Kayode here will be Ogbonge person. Ogbonge football for make tell us about how you see the game. Oga Kayode, now how you see Ghana performance for this game? We know say at the end of the day, Uruguay accept they're no physical qualify because Korea can go beat Portugal. But how you see the match?
For me, I'll take and say Ghana they actually try you. They come with the mindset they need to win to qualify. But that penalty, I say they go lose for the first half. So penalty just square everything. If they fail me say they not qualify you based on saying an African team, but at least that Uruguay will not qualify. So he over sweet myself, and that one will sweet me. But maybe if you say Ghana won't win, if we're not too mix it like that, but Uruguay will not go. So at least
Because it's sweet.
yes, now at least Africa, it may just like say they get small revenge. Because I need to wait it up for that 2010 World Cup. Yeah, I understand.
So, but make I ask you, what do you think say go wrong for Ghana today?
I think I just be like na confidence. I for like if I you not take that penalty. Like they not come with the mind say they won't win. At one point they need normally to take qualify, but I don't know what to enter their head. If I thought say they score that first goal, but they say maybe you will not get that confidence. They can score 2 goals back to back. So I'll say, well, North Africa we still get small problem. Yeah, we get Morocco, we get Senegal, so we still get hope. And I would have just talk with that, Sha.
So, but with those two African teams waiting now, Morocco and Senegal, now how far you think say they go fit go for this World Cup?
I go put my bet on Morocco based on saying that Spain they jam. Based on the kind of ball they don't show us. Senegal they play Bosha, but they jam tough opponents. But we not say England too, they not still they craze. Maybe over selection problem they do them 1 or 2. But I still believe say Morocco, they still qualify go to the quarterfinal. But for Senegal, we never be talk Sha. We don't say na England.
Okay.
But now 50-50 for me for that one.
So, but for all your games now for the World Cup, for the ones where you don't watch now, which game now you think say nice sweet you pass? Where you go say, okay, now this match be the best World Cup match so far with what we don't see.
I go be my Morocco Belgium.
Morocco Belgium.
Yeah, the game suit me. They actually we understand say the Belgian team they don't hold Sha, but the boys they made them work as in they use that to their advantage and it brings something through too because that one winner actually secure their qualification. And that game I think that was my best game.
So, but among all the players now, among all the performance where you see from all the players, which player you think say be the best player so far for the World Cup?
For Africa, people like general.
So, in general.
Oh, I don't know. I go say Ziyech. The guy don't really try. Based on the last time we get for Chelsea, but when to come perform like this on the World Cup, the guy he really try. And anytime let's say don't get up to 2 man of the match award. So yeah, I'll pick Ziyech. I'll pick Ziyech any other person.
So, but overall, which team now you gonna tip say go fit win this World Cup with what you don't say so far?
Bros, the World Cup, I love you pick one team. We don't say everybody don't get their ups and downs. I will still pick Argentina, Sha. But we don't know, Sha. Therefore, I don't know Argentina. I just play Argentina. For the fact that they jam Australia, they get up and we don't know they'll jam the quarterfinal. If it be easy team, injury problem if it come up as the team they go on. So I will still pick Argentina to win now.
All right, now, Oga Kayode, thank you for your time. Your face show.